Welcome back to the 360 Booth Business Mysteries. I'm just kidding, guys. Look, one question that pops up a lot is, how do I have my settings set up? How do my videos come out so crisp and high definition, and the resolution looks great? And I always tell people the most important thing, guys, is lighting. Lighting is really everything. So in this video, what I'm trying to show you guys is how I set up my lights and how far they are from the actual booth. As you guys can see here on this video, I have about maybe 7 inches of gap between the actual U200 light that's attached to the arm and my RGB lights. This is because I want my lights to be as close as possible to my subject. That way I don't have to turn up my lights to full brightness. Okay, so lighting. Now, in addition, if you guys can already notice, I've attached an extra phone to the arm. That way I can have raw footage using my standard camera, which later on I can use that footage to market my business and make promo videos. This is something that I just recently started doing, guys. Continue to be creative. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.